Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put overlay over a main video and make it transparent using CapCut. So to start, you just need to add the main video like this, and then to add the overlay, use the overlay button in here and click on add overlay and choose the overlay video that you want. Okay, for example, I want to add this overlays right here. Click on add and fit the size until it cover whole clips. You can see that it cover all of the clip, and to make it transparent you can just go to blend and then in here choose the one that you want. I'm going to choose overlay here and then lower the opacity to make it transparent but still visible on the clips. Now click on the check icon and the video will now look like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.